Hello everyone, welcome to the Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we'll talk about feedback, which is a physiological concept of design. Well, what is feedback actually? Feedback means communicating the results of an action. Okay, but feedback is the principle of making it clear to the user what action has been taken and what has been accomplished. Many forms of feedback exist in interaction design, including visual, tactile, audio, and more. If you remember when we talked about affordances, we said that the button affords pushing, the switch affords flipping, the knob affords rotating. But now we can see that when doing all these actions, we get feedback when the light opens. So in that way, we understand that we did the correct action. Okay, but it's very important to understand feedback properties. So feedback must be immediate. For example, in the case with the light, if the light wouldn't open automatically, I will think that it's something bad with the buttons, with the flips, with the knob, and so on. So we are in an elevator and we want to go to a specific floor. Well, if we want to go to that floor, we need to press a button, and it's very important the button to light immediately, because of that, it will not be communicated to you what happened. Also, the feedback must be informative. So you need to understand that, hey, I clicked the button and right now I'll be moved to that floor. So feedback must be informative. Also, poor feedback can be worse than no feedback at all. So misleading people with the feedback is also worse. And too much feedback make people ignore it. For example, if I'm having an app and each time I'm pressing a button, I get too many feedback, too many announcements, too many interaction with me, well, then I don't care about the feedback at all. So conclusions, like in physics, we can say in design too, for every action, there should be a reaction. And also it's very important to understand that feedback answers the questions. Where am I? What's happening and is still happening? What will happen next? And what just happened? So this was all about feedback. See you in the next videos to talk about the other physiological concepts.